In through the magic wardrobe.
Oh, I love that.
Into the wardrobe.
It's like going, ta-da!
It reminds me of like a public pool change room.
The first comment from Darren, it felt like a public pool. I was like, oh, no.
I was like, oh, my gosh.
We're going down here. We are going down.
Oh, my gosh.
Darren meant this in the nicest possible way when he said...
Like with that sort of retro, yesteryear, childhood charm. But it's not so youthful that it's going to alienate the market like I was getting at with Harry and Tash.
It feels like the right bathroom to go with the bedroom last week. It is highly finished, with great attention to detail and some quirkiness. And for Shayna, it feels really 50s.
The 50s details of the colour of the tiles, but also this divine sink. Like, I know that's a modern interpretation, but they had green sanitary ware in their bathrooms.
We did a lot of
research
this week. We made sure that was our main thing, to make sure that we nailed the brief of the 50s.
Last week, you just scraped in with a look that they felt was 1959. This week's bathroom represents the 1950s across the whole decade.
This bathroom has, to me, a more generally 50s vibe, and I think it is in the use of the terrazzo, actually, and the combination of that with the tile.
Taking the tiles around the wall the way you did and changing the colour where you have is both simple and stunning. Choosing the glossy finish on the tiles gives a sense of water in a swimming pool.
The reference to a swimming pool is just unmistakable. I mean, it really does send you back to all those sort of memories of swimming pools and the sunlight playing on the water. It just takes you back to a different era.
Neil thinks this is the perfect combination of the 50s and right now.
I can't remember the last time I walked into a bathroom that put such a big smile on my face.
Yeah.
I mean, God knows that's not easy to do. But this bathroom has done it.
Shayna was the same. She could not stop smiling.
Just having the doors open, the reflection of out there in here, this is a beautiful connection to the bedroom. So to me, this makes that room even better now.
Yes.
The buyer that's looking for a house like this is going to love this direction.
Yep.
He noted too the face-level storage and a generous vanity, and he thinks the laminate finish is also spot on. Great styling too, according to Shayna. The silk dressing gown, the terrazzo stool and candle.
I just get the sense that Jimmy and Tam really like the 50s.
So did you deliver a perfect room? You must have thought so. You went to lunch. No.
One thing I have noticed while you've been talking, because I'm staring it right in the face, is the door. Now, we love the fact that it's Narnia. We come in through the wardrobe.
How do you close it?
Exactly. There's no handle.
That was a missed fixture.
Yeah.
We've got them there, just forgot to put them on.
And that surprises me because Jimmy and Tam seem to be a couple that pays so much attention to detail.
If that's the only thing that they could find, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Wow. What a roller coaster we've had with all these houses.
If ever we needed to be reminded how different all these houses are going to be, it was today.
Well done, that's it.
We're just two people from Brisbane that
Having a crack.
we don't even... I'm not a stylist. He's a plumber. Like, we don't know anything about this stuff. We're just having a crack and it's working.